Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Vidya. Take out your yellow color book. Today we will study chapter 15 Beautiful Flower from Art and Activity Skill Book. Take out your yellow color book. Fast, take out your yellow color book. What is this? This is flower. This is flower. Color the flower to attract the bee. And what is this? This is bee. This is bee. Color the flower to attract the bee. Now take out your crayons. Take out your crayons fast. First of all, take out your yellow color. Take out your yellow color and start doing with me. Do it neatly and properly. Zigzag up and down, left and right. Complete it fast. Then take out your orange color and start doing with me. What is this? This is flower. And fill the gaps. All of you fill the gaps. Zigzag. Fill the gaps. And do it neatly. Do it neatly. I hope you all are enjoying. Do it neatly. Which color is this? This is orange color. Complete it fast. Now, take out your green color. Take out your green color. And start doing green color. Complete it fast. Complete it. Then take out your blue color. Take out your blue color and start doing blue color. This is leaves. These are leaves. Completed fast. I hope you enjoyed this. Happy learning. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.